The 2G Performance Cable Configurator can take the guesswork out of the cable selection. It provides a fast and accurate cable solution for your 2G system. It is assumed at this point you know which motor and drive combination you will be using. The first step is to select the drive to which you will be connecting your motor. In this example, we will be using the AKD 2G servo drive, and the voltage rating will be 240 to 480 volts AC. The motor will be the AKM2G. Under the winding, we will be selecting the 23E. The feedback type will be SFD3. Under Select Connector, we have only one option, M23 Single Speed Tech. In many cases, you will find there is only one option for the connector. This motor will not have a break. At the bottom of the page, the cable model number will appear. This motor and drive combination will use the hybrid cable. The hybrid cable combines the motor power cable and feedback cable into a single cable. The cable will be H62101A100XXXX00. The X's are for the cable length. For a cable 11 meters long, we will replace the X's with 011. Once you have found the cable you need for your system, you can save this part number for later use. You can get a quote from one of our motion experts. You can view the specifications for the 2G cables. If you have multiple cables saved, you can select Quote All to get a quotation for each cable saved. Because first generation product and second generation product can be combined into a system, we will do just that in our next example. The AKD 2G drive on 120 to 240 volts AC will be combined with the AKM 23D with SFD feedback. The connector will be M23 dual speed tech, and the motor is without a break. This combination will use a cable set, which is a power cable and feedback cable. The two cables make the cable set. We can see that there is a part number for the power cable and one for the feedback cable. Just as with the hybrid cable, the cable set can be saved, request a quote for an individual cable, view specifications, or request a quote for the cable set. The 2G Performance Cable Configurator makes it quick and easy when selecting your cables. As always, feel free to reach out to your distributor or your Cole Morgan customer support representative if you need further assistance.